What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. Today is the 45th feeding. Plan on rotating this top tray to the middle level and the middle tray up to the top here. But before we do that, we'll quick check in on the worms, see how they're doing. And I just remembered I did feed them a nice big piece of pumpkin, and I can see there's a nice divot right in here. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's the stem. I will go ahead and move this up into the new feeding area. There's a little baby worm right there and right there. So I will put that in the new feeding area. Wow. Try to get underneath this pile if I can. Wow. Look at them. Way to go, guys. Oh, make sure I didn't drop nobody. Okay, let me quick look through this, because this will probably be one of the last times I really go through this. Oh, and there's that banana peel. But you know what? I will leave the banana down here, because there's a bunch of worms still here. Wow, look at all those worms still. I guess they were around the juices. Okay. Man, you guys. Oh, I love it. They look great. Well, thank you, guys. Okay. Wow. Oh yeah, there's a ton poking through for me agitating them too. Oh. I'm hoping that moisture is really coming through too. Yeah, look at that. Oops, stay in here. Okay. So I can see castings. Castings have fallen through. Now that I'm putting former feeding level, now the pre-harvest level, I think this is going to get much more moist over time, and then allow that to kind of start turning into good quality bedding for the worms once it gets inoculated with the castings and also the moisture from the bin. Okay, so I have the former top tray, now the pre-harvest tray. This was starting to get inoculated for the worms. This is now going to become the feeding tray. Still have that piece of pumpkin, and actually I'm going to knock a little bit more bedding underneath of it. I have that stem from the pumpkin, And then some of that blended food. Give a little ground eggshell for the worms. That's a grit for them. They use that to help digest the food. When they wiggle around, it ends up inside of their bellies and able to crush the food. And then I just finished off my worm chow, so I'll have to do a little bit more of that up. So all they're getting is the newspaper for now. Oh, there's another worm. Definitely let me know what you thought about the worm ball. I thought that was pretty cool with the pumpkin. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down below. Today was the 45th feeding. It's also my birthday. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video, everybody. Have a great day.